Xin chào, tôi tên là Hạnh. Hello everyone, this is Hạnh from 123Vietnamese. Welcome back to our online Vietnamese class. In the first lesson, you already learned about Vietnamese consonant. And today, in the second lesson, you would have a chance to study about Vietnamese single vowels, or we call nguyên âm đơn in Vietnamese. There are 12 Vietnamese single vowels, and in each case, I will try to demonstrate the sound of each vowel and put them into different words and examples. Let's take a look at the first single vowel. A. An example which I often use is ma. Ma means a ghost, and bàn. Bàn means a table. A, ma, bàn. The second vowel is a. A as in ăn. Ăn means to eat. And chăn. Chăn means a blanket. A, ăn, chăn. Next. Ở as seen in ấm. Ấm means being warm. And cân, as you see here, cân is a skull. A, ở. Next. E as in xe. Xe means car or motorbike in general. And kem means an ice cream. E, xe, kem. Next. Ghế is an example of this vowel. Ghế means a chair. Lên means up. Ghế, lên. Next. E as you hear, I and Y in Vietnamese are pronounced into E when they stand alone. For instance, mì ý means spaghetti. And đi means to walk or to go. Mì ý, đi. Next. My favorite example is no. No means being full. And đói means being hungry. No, đói. Next. O as in ô tô. Auto means car. And soy means Vietnamese sticky rice. Ô tô, soy. Next. As in bơ. Bơ means butter. And bơi means to swim. Bơi. Are you pronouncing it? O 2 more single vowels. And these are U. U. When you make it, your mouth is like this, like you are kissing or whistling. U. For instance, Mũ. Mũ is a hat. And Vui. Vui means being happy. U. Mũ. Vui. And the last vowel is U. U. For example, U. U means yes. And Sư tử. Sư tử. Sư tử means a lion. When you make this, you smile. And how about this? U. Alright. So you have just finished studying about 12 Vietnamese single vowels. And now, let's practice them one more time. A. 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 E. I. O. U. Smile. Alright, that is the end of our lesson today. In the next lesson, we will make a video of Vietnamese tone system. Thank you a lot for your attention. If you have any comments or any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below. Thank you and see you. Cảm ơn và hẹn gặp lại.